All right, we're single phasing this motor. If we try to start it, it doesn't start. We don't want to beat it up doing that. So I checked inbound power and I'm good. So then what I did, I'm not going to keep doing it. I did 2 to 3 on the load. I pushed in the contactor manually. I had 230, good. 1 to 3, I had 110. 1 to 2, I had 110. So my common denominator is line 1. So I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to pull the wires off of line 1 and we're going to test continuity. I have reason to believe there may be some organic material that got hammered in there. Okay, so I can tell you I just did tone. I've got the unit unplugged and I put my meter there, touched it in, and I got no continuity. And here's the backstory you don't know. I replaced this contactor on Friday. I replaced this contactor on Friday, so she's been running for 5-6 days, no problem. And now line 1 is obstructed for some reason. Now, what I can do is I can direct line this to prove I'm right. All right, so listen how terrible that sounds now. There it goes. So we're running. I just checked. We've got 240 volts across. What I did was I moved to the spare leg, which isn't good. There's only 10 amps. That's a 10 amp circuit, not a 20 amp circuit. But it's all right for the moment. Again, we can talk when I get outside, but this unit, no doubt, has organic material now stuck inside the contactor. All right, sorry, I had to get out of here and talk. Good to see you. That contactor failed on Friday. I swung through, replaced the contactor, it worked fine. It wasn't single phasing. When it failed, I opened it up thinking I would find organic material inside the contactor, and I did not. It was actually burnt. So brand new contactor, and then they've been cleaning this week. They have been bombing and spraying and doing things into, you know, it's not like the whole, look, I don't want to paint the wrong picture, right? Like, pest control is a thing all restaurants deal with. This restaurant is no different. They're dealing with pest control, and what happens is when you deal with pest control, they find where they can go. They find quiet, dark places behind electrical boards, inside contactors. 100%. First leg of that brand new contactor is not closing because there's a bug. Wrong place, wrong time. Guts are not conductive. So I moved it to line 4 for now. They're actually going to open up all the machines and they're going to bomb with the covers open, try and get everything handled, which will take care of it. I've seen that plenty of times. It works. And we'll take it from there. I will have to replace that contactor again because it's on a leg of power that's, again, that compressor is going to pull 12 or 14 amps, and that leg of power is on a 10 amp circuit. So over time, the contact points are going to fail on that. So we'll get them through, but that's that. Sorry, I know it's a weird video. It's a tiny little place. I didn't want to broadcast what was going on, but yeah, there you have it.